Want to keep your Samsung phone running smoothly? I've got some tips to help you boost your phone's performance and make it 2 times better. Let's dive in. First, open up your phone settings. Take a look and scroll down a bit. Find the option labeled Device Care. Give that a tap. Here, you will spot the Optimize Now button. Go ahead and tap the Optimize Now button. Your phone will optimize its battery, clear up storage space, remove unnecessary files, and perform other maintenance tasks. It will then show you a report of everything it found and optimized. To finish, tap Done at the bottom. Nice job! This will boost your phone's performance and keep it running smoothly. That's all it takes to optimize your Samsung phone. Hope this guide was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for hanging out!